Hi viewers, this is Minachandra Maxito. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Ganesh Tutorials. Are you all ready to learn? Let me start the class.
I'll explain. Example number 10. If the points A 6, 1, B 8, 2, C 9, 4, and D P, 3 are the vertices of a parallelogram, take in order, find the value of P. Actually, here they given a 4 points. The 4 points is a vertices of a parallelogram. Vertices of a parallelogram. Now we can find the value of P. So we just draw the parallelogram. So in take it in order. Order it means all the vertices should be in the same order. That is A, B, C, D. Right. So now we can find the point value of P. Right. So here we know that only in this section formula and distance formula. So we can go with the distance formula or we can go with the section formula or distance formula, right? So here we can go with the what what we supposed to do. What we supposed to do when we want to use a section formula, we want to know the ratio. Is it possible here ratio? Excuse me. Here they didn't give any ratios, but what we know in a parallelogram, actually we can solve this problem. Wait, we can solve this problem by two method. First method is distance formula method, right? Distance formula. We can find AD distance which is equal to BC distance or AB distance which is equal to DC distance, right? Second one is section formula. So when we want to use a section formula, we need to know what? We need to know the ratio, right? We want to know the ratio. So here they didn't give any ratio. So how we will find it? நான் சொல்றது புரியுதா இல்லையா? Excuse me. Tell me. Then how will you find the ratio? Actually, we all know this. A parallelogram, the diagonals of a parallelogram are intersecting each other, right? Clear? Intersecting each other as well as they are dividing by two equal parts, right? Clear? If, for example, AD is a 9, AD is a 8, the length of the AC is a 8, it can be 4, 4. Clear? So the point of intersection is same. Are you clear or not? Excuse me. Are you clear? Actually, we know that the intersection point of a diagonal, is same. Clear? Excuse me. Excuse me. So what property we know that we already will learn this in the 9th standard. What it is? What it is? The diagonals. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. What it is? Bisects each other. Are you clear? Excuse me. Excuse me. So bisects each other. It in the sense AD. It can be, for example, the BD length is 4. What is the length here? 2 2. Maybe AD AC is 8. What it is? 4 4. Clear? Excuse me. So the midpoint of BD and midpoint of AC is same or not? Clear? Because it is intersecting each other. So the midpoint of AD and midpoint of B, so midpoint of AC and midpoint of BD is the same or not? So we can write midpoint of AC which is equal to midpoint of BD. Right? Clear? Excuse me. Are you clear? Any doubt? So midpoint of AC equal to midpoint of BD. Right? Because the diagonals are bisecting each other. So now we know that midpoint of AC formula. What it is? Midpoint of AC. How you will find the midpoint formula? Midpoint. In section formula, midpoint. Midpoint formula. What is the midpoint formula? I want to see your faces. Please unmute your video. Midpoint formula. x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Right? Clear? So here the pointers, we just consider the midpoint of AC. So A point is 6, 1. C point is 8, 2. You just keep in mind we are taking AC. So here x1, y1, x2, y2. So what it is? 6 plus 8 divided by 2, comma 1 plus 2 divided by 2, right? Which is equal to B comma C midpoint, B comma D. What is the B point, Ra? 9 comma 4, sorry, 8 comma, 8 sorry, 9 comma 2, right? C 9 comma 4, C 9 comma 4, right? Here 6 comma 6 plus 9, here Y2 is 4. Hmm. So B value 9 comma, sorry, 8 comma 2, D value P comma, so x1 y1 x2 y2, now which is equal to x1 y1, so 8 plus P divided by 2 comma 2 plus 3 divided by 2. Clear? Excuse me, any doubt, Ra? Okay, da. Next 6 plus 9, what it is? 6 plus 9, இது கூட தெரியலனா புரியுது. 15 by 2, 1 plus 4, 5 by 2, which is equal to A plus B by 2 comma 5 by, clear? Clear? Now see here, here the point are same, right? So 5 by 2, 5 by 2 is equal. So the first point, x coordinate also same. Here y coordinate same, da, because we know that it is a midpoint, right? The diagonals are intersecting each other, bisecting each other. So the intersection of the midpoint of BD, which is equal to intersection of the midpoint of AC, also same. So now we know that 15 by 2 equal to 8 plus B by 2. Clear? And 5 by 2, which is equal to 5 by 2, right? It's completed. Now from this you can find a p value. So very easiest one, you just go with a cancellation, 2 cancel, because when you are transposing divided by 2 to the side became a multiplication 2 while we are cancelling. So 15 is equal to 8 plus p, 15 is equal to 8 plus p, then we can transpose the 8. 15 minus 8 is equal to p, 15 minus 8 what it is? 7 equal to p. So the point value is equal to p. Are you clear? Any doubt? Any doubt?
I hope in this video you make clear about the problem. Thank you for watching my video. If it is any doubt, you can ask me in a comment.